Happy Cannabis Day, Marijuana Day, Pot Day, Weed Day to all the Canadians. October 17th is here. I'm sure you guys are having a party tonight, those of you in the north. So on lunch break, so doing a little update video of what I did with my account over the last 2 days. Work has been very busy, so it's been hard and challenging. The Warriors also played last night, so I was busy watching them than watching videos or making videos. So let's get into it. Let's talk about the impact, the stocks, my portfolio. So here we go. So this is one of the stocks I did some buying and selling. So I had around 10 shares of this, wasn't a lot. I sold it off at 54, I believe. Yeah, 54. And then I rebought it at 52-ish. So sold off some profits and then rebought it. Again, I had bought shares into this around, I can't remember, 30s, in the 30 range. So definitely made some decent profits. MJ ETF, you can see right there, 70 shares. I used to have 220, and I did 2 sells. One was for 100 shares at 41.50. I did a stop limit and it went down. It sold there. Tried to sell my options contracts, didn't sell, so they're pretty much worthless. Then I tried to sell another limit sell this morning at when it was at 40, 100, the other 100 didn't go through, and then I think I just did a market sell, or I did do a market sell at 38.70. So it's trading at 39.60 right now, and I'm okay with that. I still have 70 shares. Depends on how it goes. I might just hold these guys on long term. As you can see, my average cost here is only 32.16, and just hold it long term from there. I don't know yet. Still thinking about it. And then Kronos Group, I didn't do much to it. Tilray didn't do much. Oh no, Tilray I did do something. I sold it off at 170. Yeah, it's 170. Yeah, I bought it. So you see there, 115 was the average price, like 120 something. Sold it at 170, and then I rebought 3 of them at 151. So again, down a little bit, but I think it's gonna go up again after this and probably resell it. So that's what it is. My portfolio right now is at 27,156, down 1.32% today. Looks like after hours it's climbing up a little bit. The market closed about 10 minutes ago. Options contracts. See, I did this Kronos $10 put, paid 125. Right now it's 148. So I am in the positive here, as Kronos Group was selling off. It's at 10.73 right now. So if it goes down further, obviously those will go up higher. Moving forward, so again, I am very long on cannabis weed contracts, so definitely plan at some point to just buy and hold. But in this fluctuation, especially with October 17th here, and the market still being volatile, I might do more swing trades or even some day trades. See where it's at. We'll see. That's definitely an option. Then once the volatility settles down, we'll plan to just buy and hold long term. I do have some other updates. With the profit I got from selling off those 150 MJ shares, I've now bought 3 shares of Amazon right there. Bought them yesterday. Average cost $1,784. So I'm already up 2.8%, $149. I knew this was just a good value buy because Amazon was, with the sell-off last week, very low. Then I also bought another 2 shares of Google. So this has gone down, or about the same. 2 shares of Google. So now that I have shares into Amazon and Google, FDN, I probably will sell this guy out, this ETF. I only bought this ETF to get exposure to Amazon and Google. So that will cut my expense fees. For ETFs, you do have to pay an expense fee. Right now I'm down on it because of the sell-off, so I think I might swing this once it starts going up. In terms of the options contracts I bought with FDN, doing pretty well on those as I expected, so let's get into it. Right here I paid average price $160, current price is $268. Again, it doesn't expire until January, so I still have even more time for it to go up higher. Just made a little joke on accident about the cannabis and high. Anyways, this one is about even. Again, remember, this is my gamble play. So at one point this morning, it looks like it was up to 38. Yeah, so not much, $5 higher or $8. And then this one, which expires, it's a $143 call. Expires in April 18th, 2019. Paid $300 for it, and now it's worth $395, so profit $95. And at one point today, it was at $405. It opened at, so it was up over $100. So it definitely in positive there. I think VOO, yeah, I had an option contract for VOO. Paid $83. It's at $93. And I think that's the only options contracts I have. Right? Yeah. So I tried to get these other ones. It didn't work. And now I feel like the exposure's not there anymore. So there. That's my account update and cannabis stocks update. So again, congratulations to all the cannabis shareholders. Hopefully you've been making some profit these last couple days with it going up. I do think if the sell didn't happen last week, we would have made even more money, but it is what it is. Can't control and predict what's going to happen in the market, as it is a risk. All right, I think that's it for me today. Not trying to keep this too long. Want to share what I've been doing, and also want to hear what people have been doing. Are they also selling off, as obviously we're all in the red today with cannabis stocks, or are they just holding it for a longer term? So if you enjoy the channel, please